Welcome to the demo of Bajaj ETB 2005. Bajaj ETB 2005 is a multi-purpose microwave oven which helps in various modes of cooking. It is efficient in grilling, reheating and defrosting. It comes with a capacity of 20 liters. Bajaj ETB 2005 has 9 special auto-cook menus. Coffee. To make coffee, first select the coffee auto-cooking option using the timer knob. After selecting cooking mode, press the Wait Adjust button. Press the start switch and steaming hot cup of coffee will be ready to serve. Rice. Rice auto-cook menu helps in cooking and steaming rice for your desired rice dish such as pulao and biryani. Select the rice auto-cook mode, adjust the weight, and ETB 2005 will cook rice on its own. Sit back and enjoy the rice. Spaghetti. Select spaghetti option from auto-cook menu. Adjust the weight, press start button, and the oven is set to auto-cook spaghetti. Potato. Potato auto-cook option enables to cook and boil various foods. Just set the oven on potato auto-cook option. Adjust the weight and the potatoes will be boiled and ready soon. Auto reheat. Auto reheat option helps in reheating the food. Place the palak paneer in the oven. Select the auto reheat option. Adjust the weight and the food will be perfectly warm to serve. Fish. With Bajaj ETB 2005, cooking fish is much easier. Just select the fish mode from auto cook menu. Adjust the weight according to the fish. Press start button. Sit back and enjoy the fish. Chicken. ETB 2005 also has auto mode dedicated to chicken. Select chicken option from auto cook menu. Adjust the weight. Press the start switch to turn on cooking process. Meat or mutton. Place the meat in the oven. Select the cooking mode. Adjust the weight accordingly. Switch on the cooking. Sit back and enjoy succulent meat dish. Skewered meat. Skewered meat option helps in cooking kebabs and grilled meat easily. Adjust the oven on skewered meat option. Adjust the weight. Make sure to turn the pieces of kebabs when half cooked and it's done. Use the Bajaj ETB 2005 to make your food delicious and cooking better, and try to make something awesome today.